Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum dear teachers. I am Aruj Malik. This is Teachers Development Program Level 1 and Lesson 12. Today we are going to study about teaching learning cycle. The teaching learning cycle has 4 stages. Number 1 is planning. Number 2 is teaching. Number 3 is assessment. And number 4 is evaluation. So dear teachers, what is planning? A lesson plan is a step-by-step guide that provides a structure for an essential learning. Before planning a lesson, it is essential to classify the learning outcomes for the class. Number 2, teaching. What is teaching? This is the next stage in the teaching learning cycle. In this stage, the teacher teaches the planned lesson in the specific time. The teacher makes notes of implementation, success, challenges, and results. Next is assessment. What is assessment? Here the teacher collects the evidence of student learning by analyzing work sample. Teachers identifies what students know and what skills need to be strengthened in the future lesson. Last one is evaluation. What is evaluation? Evaluation is concerned with assessing the effectiveness of teaching strategies, methods, and techniques. It provides feedback to the teachers about their teaching and learners about their learning. Now come to the next point, role of a teacher in different stages of the teaching learning cycle. Again, what is the role of a teacher in planning? The role of a teacher in planning is setting appropriate aims and objectives, planning the lessons, finding and making resources. The role of a teacher in teaching is explaining, demonstrating, supporting, encouraging, and guiding. The role of a teacher in assessment is preparing quizzes or tests. The role of a teacher in evaluation is seeking feedback through observation or written. This lesson is over. Now come to reinforcement. It's time for reinforcement. What we have learned in this lesson, dear teachers, we have learned about teaching learning cycle, its strategies, and role of a teacher in these strategies. Dear teachers, please tell me how many strategies of teaching learning cycle? Yes, there are 4 stages of teaching learning cycle: planning, teaching, assessment, and evaluation. In reinforcement, I'll tell you about teacher's action in each stage. Teacher's action in planning is that if teacher has to teach sound energy, next week she gave a requisition of purchasing rubber bands, tuning forks and rubber pads. Suppose अगर टीचर नेक्स्ट वीक में एक टॉपिक पढ़ाना चाहती हैं जिस टॉपिक का नाम है साउंड एनर्जी, तो वो उसके लिए एक रिक्विजिशन बनाएंगी परचेजिंग के लिए और उसमें वो सब मटेरियल्स और रिसोर्सेज लिखेंगी जो उसमें काम आती हैं. सो द टीचर लिस्टेड डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस टू चेक द प्रायर नॉलेज ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स अबाउट द साउंड एनर्जी. ये भी बहुत कंपलसरी है कि उन रिसोर्स मटेरियल्स के साथ टीचर एक क्वेश्चंस की लिस्ट बनाए जिसमें वो ये चेक करेंगे कि स्टूडेंट्स का इस टॉपिक के बारे में प्रायर नॉलेज क्या है, वो क्या कुछ जानते हैं. सो इन द टीचिंग स्टेज, teacher distributed rubber bands, tuning forks and rubber pads for the activity. Teacher also gave instructions about what to do and how to do. क्या करना है और कैसे करना है. In the assessment stage, teacher ensured the desired learning goals have been achieved. She asked different questions. In the evaluation stage, this is the end. The teacher asked the students to make a model of structure of a ear to demonstrate how sound waves are detected by the human ear as electrical signals. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.